Okay, so just so you know, we're testing the interface and not you, so just do whatever feels natural. And I'm going to give you a briefing. So our app doesn't have a name yet, but our app is a behavior tracking web application designed to work with very little user interaction. The app gathers data about the users via social media platforms and text sentiment analysis in order to determine a baseline of regular behavior for the user. Once this baseline is established, the app uses machine learning algorithms to classify new data. This data is then accessible to the user in the form of graphs. Additionally, each user has between 1 and 3 members of their support network who receive notification from the app if unusual behavior is detected in the primary user. The app focuses on recognizing abnormal behavior with the vast amount of data produced each day through social media interactions. Okay, so now, this is your first task. It's gonna be to view the support network. So this is as if you're going to the site and you don't have an account yet. So just pretend this is a computer screen and click on it. What you would do.
Oh, right now.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Well, fill that in.
Okay. Great. And then now this is the site as if you've been on it for a week and your name's Olivia. And your task once again is to view the support network. Yes. Okay. And now see if you can view the settings for one of the members of your support network. Yay. Okay. That's one task. This is your second task, to view the stats.
Okay.
And from here, sorry, where did it go? From here, see if you can change the time frame from days to weeks.
Like that.
Okay, and now let's say you want to not see the number of posts for all media, but just for Facebook. How do you do? I'm missing this other thing. Oh, here it is. Sorry, network connectivity problems. And now let's say that you don't want to see all of your posts, but just the number of messages you've sent from Facebook. How would you change that? Great. Cool. And now this is your last task, is to view the tips and exercises. Yep. Great. You did it all.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so our app is a behavior tracking web application designed to work with very little user interaction. The app gathers data about the users via social media platforms and text sentiment analysis in order to determine a baseline of regular behavior for the user. Once this baseline is established, the app uses machine learning algorithms to classify new data. This data is then accessible to the user in the form of graphs. Additionally, each user has between 1 and 3 members of their support network who receive a notification from the app if unusual behavior is detected in the primary user. The app focuses on recognizing abnormal behavior with the vast amount of data produced each day through social media interaction. Okay, so this is going to be your first task.
Yeah. We just want you to know that we're only testing the interface and we're not testing you.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. Okay, so that's your first task. So now this is you coming to the site, not having an account or anything. So what would you do here?
Okay, well, I think first I would probably click about just to so I can read a bit more about it, and fully learn what I'm signing up for. And then I would click sign up/sign in and make an account. Okay, so then since I don't have an account yet, it says new user, get started, so I click get started.
Great. So now let's imagine that you have had this app for a week or so now, and your name's Olivia.
Okay. Okay, I figured.
Yep. And that's your task still.
Okay. You're doing great. Thank you.
So you're going to try and view your support network.
Oh, okay. So if I wanted to view my... okay. Yeah. Then I would click my network.
Right.
Because it says my network.
Okay. So this is your support network page.
Okay.
And so now let's imagine you're trying to see the settings for one of the people in your support network.
So, like, say I want to see the settings for Lizzie, I'd click on Lizzie.
Yeah. And actually, you clicked on mom.
Okay, I clicked on mom, and she gave me like the information about the name, relationship, and so I could change probably the relationship and the name, and so like to make it like custom for me, and then notification level like urgent only. So like
And then this is your next task.
okay, view tips and exercises. So if I wanted to view tips and exercises, I would click tips and exercises.
Good one.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, cool. So it gives me my short-term tips and exercises and long-term. So the short-term ones. I don't know what SOS means. I assume these are two different. I mean, I do know, but I don't know what it means in this context.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. Okay. And then
Save our souls, but like.
Thanks for proving that you knew it.
No, I know. I'm just saying, like, I don't know the context. Like,
okay.
I don't know if I would click
kind of unclear.
these. Yeah. Like, I just don't.
Right.
And I don't know if this is one thing. Like,
Okay.
based on the alignment. And then, like, I don't know. See, oh, okay, so this is one thing because this says continue daily meditations. Meditations. But then what would SOS deep breathe? Yeah, so that's
Okay,
what I'm confused.
confusing.
Yeah.
Okay. And then your next
You're
task.
asking for my feedback. I'm
Yeah.
not laughing.
This is your next task.
Yeah. View stats. So I assume I would click graphs.
Okay. And so this is your
But
personalized
maybe-
graph.
Maybe this should say like stats.
Okay.
Yeah.
And let's say you want to change the time frame from like instead of seeing data over days, you want to see it for like the weeks. How would you change that?
I guess down here I could click time
Yeah.
/ days.
You can.
Oh, days to go to weeks. Yeah.
And then let's say you instead of seeing the posts for all media, you just want to see it for Facebook.
Okay, so I'd click all media and change it to Facebook.
Yeah. Oh wait. Yeah. And then let's say you don't want to see all the posts that for Facebook, you just want to see the number of messages you've sent via Facebook.
So I can click post and change it to messages.
Yep. Great. Those are all your tasks.
Cool.
I'm just filming the table.
I didn't the
Yeah,
table
the
will
table,
work.
yeah.
Yeah, I'll move back.
Okay. So our app is a behavior tracking web application designed to work with very little user interaction. The app gathers data about the users via social media platforms and text sentiment analysis in order to determine a baseline of regular behavior for the user. Once this baseline is established, the app uses machine learning algorithms to classify new data. This data is then accessible to the user in the form of graphs. Additionally, each user has between 1 and 3 members of their support network who receive a notification from the app if unusual behavior is detected in the primary user. The app focuses on recognizing abnormal behavior with the vast amount of data produced each day through social media interaction.
Okay.
So, the first task I'll give you is to view the tips and exercises.
Okay.
So that'll be your first task, but the opening page you're going to go to.
All right. Seeing as I'm a person who can't use my computer at all for any apps whatsoever.
So this is you coming to the site for the first
Okay.
time and you don't have an account. So what would
Right.
you do?
What would I do? Is this a button that I can click? That's what I would do.
And this would pop
Right?
up. Yep.
Right? If I could read it, I would. Okay,
That's fine.
username, password.
Here.
God bless you. You are a good kid. All right. Well, that helps. Username, password, new user. New user. That's me, right?
Okay,
here.
great.
New user.
Great.
I am a new user.
Yes, you are. Okay.
Very good.
So then, I don't know if you'll need that anymore because
Okay.
they're all white.
Thank you, dear.
So now this is you coming to the site and having had an account for like a week or so.
Okay.
And pretend your name is Olivia.
Hello, Olivia.
So now you're trying to view your tips and exercises.
Oh, okay.
So what would you do?
Well, I think I have to hit this because that's what I'm looking for, right?
Great.
Okay.
There's your tips and exercises. So you completed that task.
All right.
And this is just the page for tips and exercises. Okay, and then your next task will be to view your support network.
I don't do anything with this?
Nope, you don't
Okay, because I already saw my tips. Okay.
have to. So now you're going to try and view your support network.
Using this though.
Oh,
yeah.
using this.
Yeah. like from there.
Pretend it's a web page, like
Okay, tips and exercise graphs, short term, long term. Wouldn't I go to my network?
Yeah.
yes.
Very good.
Great. So
I'm
this-
doing better than I thought, kids.
So this is
Okay.
your network, and let's say that you want to change the settings for one of the people in your network. How do you think you would do that?
I want to change them
Yeah,
like
like you want to view the-
sister.
Yes.
Well, I would
Yeah.
hit sister.
Okay, so pretend you clicked mom.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Do you need the flashlight? Give it some.
Name.
There you go.
Okay. Oh, Amy Berlin, mother.
Great. So those are the settings. That's all you have to do there.
Okay.
Okay.
Very good.
And then last task is to view your stats. How would you do that from this page?
From this page.
Yes. Like where would you go to view your stats?
This one, I think.
My network? Oh, this is that. That's mine. This is my network.
This is my net. This whole thing is my. I'm sorry. This whole thing is my network. Okay. View my stats. Me. No.
Oh, nope. But that's
No?
good. That's good that you
Oh,
clicked
yeah.
on it.
Yeah.
Let's do it that way.
Yeah, that sounds really. That's a good idea.
Wow, thank you.
Yeah. So you would click graphs to view.
I
stats.
thought of graphs. View my stats.
Yeah, I think we should change it.
Yeah, we
Obviously.
might change that to stats.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
you know
click-
what? If you had stats there, I
You would
probably
click it.
would have hit that.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Otherwise, I
Good
would
to
hit
know.
me because it would be mine.
Yeah. Got it. That's
What
good
do
to
I know?
All right. So
Okay.
these are your statistics for
Okay.
the past few days. So let's say
Oh,
yes. So
okay.
let's say that you would like to change the time frame from days to weeks. How do you think you would do that?
I would hit. Wait a minute. I'm already in my network, aren't I?
You're in graphs.
Oh,
which is
I'm in.
just-
I'm in graphs.
Yes. Maybe we should do like an underline thing of where you are.
Yeah.
Yeah, like color. But I feel like that would be it. Anyway.
So what am I want to do? I want to change something.
Yes. So this is your graph
Okay.
for the past few days.
Right.
But now let's say you want to change it from being days to weeks. You want to see over the
I
past few
probably would hit this one. Tips and exercise, because would it tell me how?
No.
No?
Here's what you would do. You click this, which isn't a button.
Oh, down here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then this would pop up, and you can
Okay.
click weeks.
Oh, I see. And then
Yeah.
I hit weeks.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay. So that's confusing. It doesn't really.
No,
look-
it's not really. It's just that I don't use
Yeah.
very many websites
No,
either.
But we
But
want
we
it to be for
For
everyone.
someone like me?
Exactly.
Well, then there we are.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's say that instead of seeing the data for all of your media, you want to change it to like just Facebook or something. How do you think you would do that?
Oh, that's all media.
Yes.
So that wouldn't be it.
Well, if you want to change that.
Oh, well, then I would hit that.
Yeah. Great.
Okay.
So then instead of all media, now you can click Facebook.
I could hit, yes, I can hit Facebook.
Yes.
Okay.
And if you want to change it from all posts to just the number of messages sent, how would you change that?
Wouldn't I hit text?
Yeah, well, you can hit this one, and then this one would give up. Like this one would do for Facebook and stuff, and this one would change to number of messages.
Oh,
Does that make sense?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it does.
Great.
Okay.
Yep, that's all your tasks.
And you did it.
You did it.
So these are observations that we gathered from our user testing. We had no issue with leading everyone from the homepage to signing up for the app. That was not an issue. This is our homepage. The first issue that we had for the remaining of the user testing was that our users had trouble remembering what page they were on. So we've decided to resolve that by using color coding. So when you're on, this is the home page. So say you were on the tips and exercises page, then this tab would be a different color than the rest of the tabs. So they're not confused about where they are, and they don't keep clicking tips and exercises, which a lot of our users did again and again on the same page. And the other issue that we had, so this was our view tips and exercises task, and it was very straightforward. All of our users did it easily. And then our second task was view your support network. This was also very straightforward. You were just supposed to click my network. A lot of our users did that. All of our users did that with no problem. On the network page, we asked our users to click on the settings for someone on their network, and they did that with no problem. The only thing that we did face in this stage of the user testing was that the next of our task is to click view stats. Because our task says view stats, but our actual stats tab says graphs, it was a confusion for a lot of our users, and they didn't know where to go. One of our users, our last user, Miss Murray, she suggested that she wanted to click me to go to her graphs and stats because it had to do with her, and she had just clicked mom to see the mom settings. So how we're going to resolve that is we agreed that this might be the logic of a lot of users who want to see their stats. So we're going to make sure that clicking the graphs tab takes you to your stats, but also clicking me has a drop-down menu just like this that you would have for your other network, but it's going to say view stats and graphs, which would also take you to the same page that graphs would, and also it'll say settings, so you can go on the tab for the account settings. And the last problem that we had was on our view stats page. This is the graphs tab. Once again, the color would be coded so that we know we're on the graphs page. We asked our users to change this graph from days to weeks, and initially we thought this was very straightforward because you were just supposed to click days, where a drop-down menu like this would come down and you would select weeks. But our users, every single person we user tested, had a little trouble finding this tab because they're looking for buttons here or on top like they're used to click days. And after they realized it was this, which 95% except one user did that without our interference, then they know that next time that they need to change from all media to Facebook or post to messages, they just have to go here. So what we're going to do is somehow make this more visibly a button so that people tend to go here to click. That's it. Thank you.